Assalamualaikum. We are talking about by learning English for learning English, and we are sh- uh, we are sharing something for in video and okay
about English.
about English in front of my Imtiaz Ahmed, and he come from Bogura. Kumilla, it's in Kumilla, okay. I'm from Purvachal city. It is situated middle of Bangladesh. And my name is MD Bapri Mita. And let's get start our question. Podcast. Why do you learn English?
Why do I want to learn English? So, this is one kind of question that everyone knows that English is our international language. So, every there in our earth, there are almost 20 countries all over the earth. So, every country has their own language. But if we want to communicate with another one who is come from another country like South Korea or like Spain, like Brazil, Argentina, like this country, so we can communicate with them because we have our own mother tongue and they have their own mother tongue. So we express our emotion, we express our feelings, our emotion by using Bengali because Bangla is our mother tongue, but they Spanish or Brazilian or any I think I can say Chinese or everyone use their mother tongue, so we can understand their feelings if everyone use their own language. So we have to select
Brother,
a language.
English language is a more important our learning purpose as well as
Yes, I'm explaining just that. So
okay.
if we want to communicate with our friend who is from another country, so we must have to learn a common language, and that common language is English.
English.
More than 80% or 85% of people all over the world knows English and consider English their second language, second and common language. First language is their own mother tongue. So English is not only important to communicate, but also in our education or any other purposes. Like most of the scientific books or historical books or any other books is written or converted in English. Because if we want to say a historical names like Aristotle or his student Plato, and they was from Greek. But if we want to learn their knowledge, so we don't understand the Greek language, so we have to converted that book to English, and we know as we know English, then this is easy for us to learn their knowledge. And also if we want to learn Einstein or Newton's law, so we have to learn English because this is our education purpose. And if we learn English properly, then this will be easy to get a job or any other opportunity. This will be very easy for us. So
Okay. Why people choose English language? English language is an English testing system. English international testing system.
IELTS. You are talking about IELTS, huh?
IELTS, and most of the people they are involved in IELTS. They would like to go abroad for their high studies as a master's program. And in our country, we are try to admission in any kind of university, but we are always choose out of country because there are many facilities. We can achieve many things in ourselves. That's why we chose out of country university for our English language testing system. As well as why have you came in English therapy? Why choose English therapy in our country? Most of the people and most of the people choose in English therapy because they provide many kinds of environment as well as learning purpose. Their learning purpose is more important.
So I will explain you this
Yeah.
question. You asked me that why I choose English therapy
Yeah.
over any other English coaching center.
Yeah.
So
In our country, main type of coaching center, but
So, yeah.
English therapy,
Yeah.
why popular in our country?
your question is absolutely fantastic, and this is very common, and everyone wants to know this, that there is so many English coaching center in
Yeah.
our country, but why I choose and why you and any other student choose English therapy, and English therapy is becoming very famous day by day
Yeah.
because of it provide us extra facilities like this. English therapy is the first coaching center of Bangladesh, English coaching center, which is provide us to communicate 24 by
Hours.
7 with our teachers.
I think they are provide is a partner.
Yeah.
They can speak together, and they cannot use Bengali word.
Yeah,
It is
and-
right or wrong? Can you explain that?
Yeah, this is absolutely right because we are here
Yeah.
to learn English. Huh?
Yeah.
Our mother tongue is in our heart, but
Yeah.
we want to learn English for our educational purposes. So we have to avoid any other languages for just 3 months to learn English properly. You know what? A very interesting thing that if we say any Bengali word, we have to pay fine. 20 taka
How much
for-
pay
Yeah.
student? Can you explain?
For any single mistake, we have to pay 20 taka.
20 taka.
If we use any Bengali word like "Tumi
It is
kemon
true
acho?"
or false?
This is, I think this is correct because this will help us to avoid any other language, just to express our emotion in English. So this is very much essential to focus and to concentrate our lessons. And as you know, we there have too many members and too many friends with us. So if we communicate every time, we make fun, we express our feelings with them in English. So it will be helpful. We will know too many vocabularies that I know some vocabularies you don't know, but you know many vocabularies I don't know. So you will share
Yeah.
that vocabulary to me, and I will know that this is a new.
Vocabulary is more important when we will speak any other person. That time we use simple word. It's a very casual type. That's why we will try to
Advanced
speak
vocabulary.
advanced vocabulary. It can be helpful for our speaking testing system. And some people they are say English therapy provide outdoor class. This outdoor class is very amazing
Yeah.
and marvelous. And when people admission other coaching center, they didn't provide outdoor class because outdoor class is more important for our learning system because we can share our feelings, our partner for
We
partner.
can learn too many new
Yeah,
things and
new
also,
things, and because I cannot know many things, but he know some things, and he can share with us, and I can learn a little bit. It's very helpful for our learning purpose. That's why most of the people chose English therapy. They provide outdoor class, indoor class, as well as watching class. It is
Yes.
very marvelous.
But English therapy, there is another topic that any other coaching centers they provide just educational things, like, but in English therapy they also provide us out of education, like they give us extra knowledge and they try to fix us our aim, and they show the correct way that in which way we can achieve our aims, like they make us consistent and also punctual. When I was at my home, I was not that much punctual, but now I have to wake up just before 6 a.m. and I have to join my class, and then I have to maintain my routine. I have to take my lunch, my dinner, my breakfast on time, and I can't spend my time watching reels or anything. This is false. What I was telling. So
some people their admission deviately student. Yeah, and I saw. First of all, cannot speak fluently, but right now can speak fluently. It is true or right?
yes, this is why the reason is that
Some people they are
yeah.
English therapy marketing.
Yeah.
purpose they are show this developed student.
But no, the reason is that you can know that everyone is not same here.
Yeah.
So there are so many students that who is better before coming English therapy. So they come here and express their feelings and express so many things, and the weak students learn from them. Then how they express their feelings and how they choose the words and how they use advanced vocabularies. And after watching them, the weak students, they also try to do this. And in 3 months, you can say that this is a long time, and that's
They
why
will be an accomplishment. They are learning purpose. Okay, there are I guess I think there are English therapy another things they are provide. This is very marvelous. They are provide 5 times pay salad, 5 times salad, as well as they are include their little bit mocks in 7th floor. It is good thing, I think, and they provide another separate their girls, and men and
So,
women they are
there is
separate.
another charming thing I will advertise for this, that if you want to take coffee for cheap price, you can
Yeah,
come English therapy.
English therapy.
For us, a cup of coffee is just provided 10 taka, and also very mouth-watering coffee. If you want to taste this coffee, you must have to come English therapy. So this is one kind of advertisement, and I will charge to our Saiful sir. This is
And
not
as
for free.
well as English therapy in very sportless. You can trust to us. And thank you so much for our podcast and
Listening carefully.
listen. Yeah.
And I will I think we will hope that you will get the correct meaning that why are we broadcasting this, because we get benefit from English therapy. That's why we tried that our another friend will our brother or all over from Bangladesh will try to take the advantage of English therapy, because
You
this
can
is not
share
that much
our
costly.
institute, because our institute very amazing.
And if you share, we will get percentage.
Yeah. Thank you
So
so
that's
much.
funny.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu